Lagos State Ministry of Basic and Secondary Education District 6, in partnership with the Masterminds Community Foundation, has organized a one-day Smart Teens workshop for public school students.
Today's workshop on emotional intelligence and social intelligence is more than just another education event. It is a conversation about who we are becoming as human beings. In school, we study mathematics, biology, history, and literature. But very few of us were ever taught how to understand our emotions or manage them in a healthy and positive way.
The program themed Emotional and Social Intelligence, Key Life Skills for Smart Teens, focused on building self-awareness, emotional management, and positive social behavior.
The topic we're talking about is emotional intelligence. We've defined it. We understand that it's managing our emotions. The other part of it is that emotion that you are managing propels you to do some things. Same thing with social intelligence. Social intelligence is split into two. So how we are connected, our connectedness, and how we manage other people, and also spiritual intelligence, because the S stands for both. And that's our purpose, our meaning in life. So if we're talking about emotions, we're talking about how we feel and how we are reacting to how maybe somebody has made us feel. So kindness is a very critical part of emotions.
Speakers noted that the workshop would help students better handle personal challenges, academic pressure, and social interactions.
The biggest asset of any human being is your mind. Whatever your mind can conceive, you can achieve. And that is why, if you look at those two words, very powerful word, smart mind. If you have a smart mind, will there be obstacle? Yes. Will you overcome it? Certainly. Because like some of you have said in this gathering, if you have a smart mind, you will reflect, you will think critically, and in taking decision, you don't take decision on the spur of moment. And that is where intelligence comes in. That is where emotion comes in. That is where your relationship with people comes in.
The convener, Vivian Ogene, said the initiative aims to empower young people with essential life skills needed for success in school and beyond.
Educating the young minds to say, it's okay to fail. It's okay not to do right, but what is not okay is for us dwelling in that place and sucking without not finding a permanent solution. So that's why we are teaching them to learn how to understand their emotions so that they will know how to avoid conflicts, so that they will not body shame people, so that they will know how to relate with the society. They will be socially aware, they will be emotionally resilient, and they will be able to deal with the grit of life that is around their environment and around their community, and they become better future leaders in the future.
This program has made me learn a lot of things, like for example the emotional intelligence and the social intelligence. It makes me to understand the way we connect to people, both socially. It makes me to understand the way human feelings, the way we can interact with people. It makes me to understand not to body shame people and not to look down on people. And in so many ways, I understand that most people are feel down, but it makes me to understand that it's good to have sympathy for others and care, not just being nice, but also to be kind to others from the feeling without not expecting anything back.
I've learned to be kind, like they say kind, and I've learned the differences between kindness and being nice. You see, the differences between them is just the motive. That when you are kind, it comes from your heart and it lasts long. When you are being nice, you just do it once and you forget about it.
The workshop featured interactive sessions and group activities, leaving students inspired and engaged and reinforcing the state government's commitment to developing well-rounded students.